What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to T-Dog Customs, to another video. We are currently back from Jeep Jam, and I got some stuff from my cousin out there. If you haven't seen that series, go ahead and it's like 2 or 3 videos ago. I have the whole trip like in detail pretty much every day for like 6 days in a row, recorded them. So you should check those out. But enough is said by just me panning around the garage. It is the absolute messiest it has probably ever been. Ever since I did the axle swap on the Jeep, it's just been go, 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 go. I've got parts over here that are just laying there. Got wheel boxes, strut boxes, odds and ends, tools, welders, you name it, drills, bolts, nuts, everything is just like hanging out here. So we need to clean this up because this is atrocious. It kills me. And I got some comments. Look at my trash can. Unbelievable. So I got some comments though. Quite a few people actually were like, when I mentioned I need to clean the garage, they were like, oh, do a time lapse of the garage cleaning. To me, like when I first started my YouTube channel, I did a time lapse of me cleaning it and like killing a whole bunch of flies because there were like thousands of flies in here. Anyways, it was one of the first videos I ever recorded. But we're gonna go ahead and do that. Put you guys on time lapse and just clean. I'm probably gonna stop, put you guys back on time lapse, clean, and do it. But it should be a fairly short video. Alright guys, it's been probably 30 minutes, 45 minutes, give or take. And let's just take a quick peek at what we've gotten done. A lot has changed. Just cleaning. It's amazing how much trash was actually in here. So what I'm doing is I'm just piling all the trash over here, using boxes to just fill up with trash and just straighten everything up. This whole box and all that is actually for the first gen that will be wrapped up this week, hopefully. So anyways, but we're getting there. But I did want to mention one thing real quick. I have this box, and this box is full of, well, some hats, including my work hat that looks like that. TDC stands for T-Dog Customs, of course. And we've got the camo, which is my favorite pattern. And we've got one of these. And we've got one of these. And then we've got a couple of these. So I have some hats. I don't know if you guys are even interested, but I took them out to Florida, and I have some left over from that event. So if you are interested in picking up yourself a TDC hat, you know, let me know. I'd be more than happy to ship you out one. And $30, and I pay for shipping. So free shipping, it's pretty good. For 30 bucks getting a hat. Let's dive right back into this time lapse, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe as well, and I'd really appreciate it. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching. That is gonna wrap up this segment of watching me clean my garage and time lapse, I guess. But we got this thing looking so much better, and yeah, so appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, whatever, and I will catch you guys in the next upload. The next upload will probably be on a new mower that I picked up, a new old mower that I picked up, and we're going to clean it up. It's looking pretty ratty, so stay posted for that video, because we're gonna clean it up, get it all looking nice and shiny, and then show what it actually does, mowing and cutting, and do a review, because I have 5 acres of grass around here, and I need something that can really put in the work, and this one can, trust me. So thanks you guys for watching. Peace. Keep grinding.